Hello students, in our previous class we learned the basics of polynomials. Now let's go ahead and solve certain problems so that we get a clearer picture. So we start with exercise 2.1 of the chapter that states which of the following polynomials are in one variable and which are not. Here are your sums of section 1. These are the expressions and here I will help you with the answers. Let's take a look at the first one, 4x square plus 3x plus 7. You see that there is only one variable, although the first one has a different exponent, that is x raised to the power of 2. So the variable that we have is x. Therefore, this is a polynomial in one variable. Let's proceed to the second one, y square plus root 2. Again we have one variable, root 2 is a constant which can have a variable y raised to 0. Now anything raised to the power of 0, x raised to 0 is equal to y raised to 0, anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. So root 2 into y raised to the power of 0 is always going to give you root 2. So again you have polynomial in one variable. The third one, you have 3 root t plus t root 2. Let's solve this to understand the answer. This is 3 root t plus t root 2. Root 2 is the coefficient of t and t is to the power of 1. Now let's see what is this. This is t raised to the power of half. Half is not a whole number, which is why this expression is not a polynomial. Let's look at the third one. Let me erase this one for you. Y plus 2 upon y. Y is to the power of 1. How about 2 upon y? This is nothing but y raised to the power of 1 plus 2 into y raised to the power of minus 1. Since we take y from the denominator to the numerator, the value of the exponent changes. Here it was 1 in the denominator, but when you put it in the numerator, it becomes minus 1. So again, minus 1 is not a whole number, which is why this is again not a polynomial. Let's see the third one, x raised to the power of 10, y raised to the power of 3 and t raised to the power of 50. All the exponents are positive, that is x raised to the power of 10 is positive, y raised to the power of 3 is positive, t raised to the power of 50 is positive. So we have three different variables, if you see, that's x, y and t. So this is a polynomial in three variables. Therefore, this is not a polynomial in one variable. Thank you.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.